Guys, check out this line. Check out that line. That's a huge line. And nobody. Huh? Alright, we just found out what this whole massive line is for. It's for Attack on Titan. If only this line was short. We missed out hard. I wish I could go to this. Far out.
反対側の方で最後尾ご案内しております。
xuống lầu đi, xuống lầu.
Đây chụp lên đây trước nữa.
Vending machine trip number 54.
Cola shock desu. You feel refreshed and better. Get a tasty new cola. Should be good. The opening. Whoa. Is it shocking?
It's cola flavored energy drink.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's mad.
Like at first you taste cola and then like aftertaste of energy drink. Like
Massive energy drink.
Like old school mother, not the new one. Like the old school silver cans. Like
It's like really tastes really herbal.
yummy. You wanna try some drink?
Cola shock.
Cola shock. Out of 10, what do you give?
Not as good as
So we just arrived for breakfast out of this restaurant. This is like the first legit Japanese restaurant we've been to. We're gonna have okonomiyaki for breakfast, and the place you actually sit on the ground as well. It's like on tatami maps.
Check out this environment. This is proper.
メニューです。
ありがとう。
名前入りですね。こちらもよく混ぜて。はい。
We're there for 5 minutes. This one.
Three, two, one, go.
Ah, I didn't do it. Nah, it's cool. Tail. Rồi, Dad, you want to turn it? Chưa 5 phút mà.
2 cái.
Quay. Hay quá. Không nghe mất rồi. Bật bẹt từ đây.
We just finished eating at the okonomiyaki place. What do you think, Dylan?
Oh, it was very nice. The atmosphere was very nice.
Yeah,
Like,
I think the atmosphere is what did it for me. Like,
it's like old Jap style. You sit on the floor, tatami mats. You cross your legs. And then
yeah, and I mean the food was just alright. It was pretty good. It wasn't like the best.
the portions were a bit tiny, I reckon.
Yeah.
It
And
was
like
a meal for ants, as
when
many
you-
would say.
when you add like the sides to it, they give you like $2 worth of sides instead of what you pay for. But yeah, it's good.
Ready? Which way now? Is it a left here?
Yeah.
Or giant?
We have to cross the road.
Guys, we just made it to Sensoji Shrine. There's like Sensoji Temple? Yeah, Sensoji Temple, sorry. And then there's a bunch of stalls. Seems like it's all food. It's just like in the anime, guys. Arigato.